Okay. Now first take this part. We have to cut the squares. If you have cut the squares, very nice. If you have not cut the squares, how to cut it? Just fold it like this in half and with the scissors, cut the squares on the outline. Okay. See, I've cut one square and the second one also. I'll fold it into half like this and cut the squares.
Sir, how can we cut the squares?
See, what I did was, if I had to cut this square, I fold the square into half like this so that my scissors could go. Scissors could cut on the outlines and I will cut on the outlines and I'll cut the square. So now I have both squares.
For 2 minutes.
Who's this?
Done.
Yes, Ridan.
Sir, but there's a remaining at the last square. I am shifting the room.
Okay. Oh, my it's, oh, sorry. I'll just,
1 minute.
I hope everybody have cut it now. Cut both the squares like this. Done. Good. Now what we'll take is we'll take this piece, the rectangle. Take the rectangle and roll it on a pencil like this. Roll it. What we'll do is, see, I've rolled it. What we'll do is we'll apply some glue over here to make it a cylinder, to paste it. Apply some glue here on the edge to paste it. Yes.
Please repeat all the steps.
Okay, first I had made the cylinder. I had cut this squares on this part. Okay. Then I took the rectangle. This is the rectangle. I took a pencil and I'll rotate the rectangle on the pencil like this to make a cylinder. And I'll apply some tape or glue to close the end of the cylinder. My cylinder could go on the pencil like this. Now, I want to see everyone doing this. Ivan, have you done this? Show me. Yes, Ame, very good. Very nice, Ame. Terish?
Sir.
Yes, very good, very good. I can see Hridana.
Glue. Sir.
Yes, Shavan?
Sir.
Yes, Ivan?
What are we doing? So like this. Squares.
Yes, with the rectangle. Yes, like this.
Sir, look.
Yes, like this. Yes, Devansh. See, you have to fold the rectangle on the pencil like this. And paste the end of the rectangle to make a cylinder. See, this is a tube now. I've made a tube which can go on the pencil like this. This is a tube now I have made. Okay? Done till here?
Give a thumbs up if you are done.
Yes.
Very
Give
nice.
a thumbs up. Don't unmute yourself. Just give a thumbs up. We can see everyone. Very good. I think everybody has done it.
Good, good. Next, what we'll do is we'll take this part. Do you see the earth in the center? There's earth in the center and there's a black dot on earth, right? We have to insert the pencil on that dot to make a hole. Insert the pencil completely like this. See, insert the pencil completely like this. Do it carefully. Don't tear the whole paper. Just insert the pencil like this. Use a sharpened pencil, okay? So that it goes easily. Very good, Advik. Yes, I can see. Inaha, very nice. Inaha, have you done it? Shannon, very good. Now next, what I will do is, I'll insert this tube also inside with the pencil. So that half tube goes inside and half paper tube remains outside. Okay, half paper tube went inside here and half paper tube is still outside. Half inside, half outside. Very good, Devansh. Very nice. Yes, like this. Very good, Riyansh.
Yes.
Very-
Harsh, where is the pencil?
Don't remove the
You need
pencil
to
yet.
keep the pencil in.
Yes, don't remove the pencil yet. The pencil should be still in. Just paper tube should be half inside and half outside like this. Just give us a thumbs up when you are done with this. Very nice, Prisha. Very good.
Yes.
That's
Shivansh has done it. Akshit, very good. Devansh,
very good.
Trisha,
Riyansh. Akshata
Vivan also.
Ojas has also done it. Very good. Very good, Ojas.
Nice.
Very nice.
Teransh has also done it. Ayan is giving a thumbs up.
Very good. Now next, you see this disc, the other disc. There is a black dot, same black dot on this disc. Okay, I'll insert the pencil on that dot too. Insert the pencil and then the paper tube there. So that again the paper tube goes half in and half it remains outside. Like this, half in and half out. On the second disc. Ame, have you done this? Ame, good.
Very good.
Nice, very
Sara,
nice.
have you done it?
Dipanshi has also done it. Very good.
I have done the all.
All. very
Okay.
good. Very
Okay, you
nice.
do it. If you are
Very good.
facing any issue, you can ask. Devashi has also done it.
Good. Now
Very good. Yash, done. Very good. Ivan
I
has
have
also
both my
done it.
disc here and the paper tube is both half inside and half outside. Done till here. Should I tell you next? Should I move ahead?
No.
Okay. Now I'll remove the pencil carefully so that the paper tube remains there only. Now I have removed the pencil. Paper tube is half inside and half outside. Remove the pencil. Done. See, I'll name this as front part and this as back part. Okay, where there is no print, that is back, and where there is print design, that would be front. From the back side, this back part, I'll take a scissor and cut my tube. See how I'll cut. I'll keep it here. See, I'll cut my tube into half this side and half this side. Cut into two parts and open them like this. Okay. See what I did? I cut my tube into two parts and I opened the legs like this. Done till here? Show me.
Sir, I don't understand, please.
Okay, I'll show you once again.
Two sides of the outside and the other side.
Very nice, Riyansh. See, all those Akshat, see, this was the tube. I cut the tubes into two parts. One here and one on the other side. Two parts. And when I got two cuts on it, I'll just open them like this. Very nice, Devansh. Everyone show me. Yes, Ayana, very good, Advik, Rajani. Okay. Very nice, Inaya. Inaya,
Sir, I done it.
Very good. Very good, everyone. Very good.
Yes. Okay. Now
Now
what
who has?
we'll apply some tape on it so that it doesn't open. Apply tape. See, this is the end. This is the tape, cello tape. I'll apply some tape on it and fix it here. See, I'll take some tape and I'll fix both the legs of my cylinder on together like this so that it doesn't come out. Okay. From the end, I have taped it like this.
Sir, I have taped it.
Very good, Devansh. Very good. So now I have fixed my two cylinders together from this side. Okay, very good. Now I'll do the same on the other side also, but don't apply tape. Just see what I'll do. I have kept this like this. I'll cut my tube into two legs and I just open them.
Prisha, you
Just
want to say
open them.
something?
Who's saying? Don't apply tape in the front, just apply tape at the back. Don't apply tape in the front, just open the legs and apply tape at the back. Why I have done this? With this, the ceiling at the back, now this cylinder will not come out. And with doing this, now the disc will also not come out. Okay, now we have fixed it. You can press it. You can press it to fix it. Nice.
Sir, you have to fold it.
Yes, open it. Open them. Don't fold it. Just open them. Open both the legs. Okay.
Sir, done.
Very nice. Very good.
How we should do, sir?
Gargi, I'll repeat again. This was the cylinder tube. I cut the cylinder tube into two parts and I opened them. Opened the paper. Just open the paper. Yes. Very nice. Very good. Now what does
On
this?
the other side.
Gargi, can you repeat? I didn't get. Aditi, did you get her?
On
No, I
the
also
other
didn't get.
side.
Gandhi, just write in the chat, Vita. We can't understand what you're saying. Or just say it slowly. Yes, Gargi, that is correct. Yes,
Very
that
nice,
is
Gargi.
correct.
Very good.
Perfect.
Now you can color them also, but do that afterwards, after the session. Okay? I hope you know you have to color sun yellow and orange, like Ivan has done it, and earth blue and green. Okay, you can color it. But what this disc tell you? You can show it to everyone. See, when I rotate my moon's disc, the back one disc, now my moon is, the earth is between sun and moon, right? And what is it? It's the lunar eclipse. But if I rotate the disc, rotate my moon disc and make my moon come between earth and sun like this. See, now my moon is between earth and sun like this. So what it is? It is
Solar eclipse.
solar eclipse. So now your disc can tell you easily that when the solar eclipse is and when the lunar eclipse is. Okay?
Sarah, you have a question? You're raising your hand. Okay.
Everybody show me solar eclipse on your disc. Everybody show me solar eclipse. Very good. And where's the moon? Moon is between sun and the earth, right? And now everybody show me lunar eclipse. Show me lunar eclipse.
All of you show your
I have not done yet.
Okay, I'm waiting. Don't worry. Show me
others.
lunar eclipse.
Others, all of you show your.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. Yes, Vivan. Yes, Ame. Very good. This is lunar eclipse. Very good, Devansh. So now you can show it to anyone. Show it to your friends. Show it to your
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jia. Yes, Jia. Yes, beta. Perfect. Very good.
Okay? Now you can color
Ivan,
it.
very good.
Everyone just show me this. Show me your disc. Keep it like this and keep your face also. I'll take some pictures, good pictures of you. Very nice. Ame, I'll spotlight Ame. Very good. Ame, hold it, right? Yes. And Vivan, I'll spotlight Vivan also. Very nice, Vivan. Oh, yeah. Very good. Who's this talking?
Should we stick this?
Yeah, show me your model.
Should we stick this side also?
Ryan, show your model, beta.
Okay. Okay, others. Devansh, I'll take a picture of Devansh also. He's smiling also. Smile, beta. Yes, good. Very nice. Very good. And others. Advik, I'll take Advik's.
Doubt.
Very nice. Advik, can you show your face? And the model too. Very good. Very nice. See. Okay, I'll request everyone to send their pictures, right? Explain this and do send us the pictures. Very nice.
Okay, so Shravan has a question. Yes, Shravan, you have a question?
One more photo, sir. Should we stick it two sides? Should we stick it two sides? I stuck it this side. Should we stick it this side also?
No, stick it on the back side. Just on the back side. If you stick it on the front side, then it will not move. Just stick it on the back. Don't stick it at the front. Okay?
Done.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Now I hope everybody has made it. Let's go on the other activity. Should we? Just give me a thumbs up if this activity is completed.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Everyone get the boxes ready.
Yourself. I'll request you to mute yourself.
This is my Choco Pie box. I eat a lot of Choco Pies. Very nice, very nice. I can see everyone is ready with this. Very good, Akshat. Akshat, now keep this aside and keep the box ready. Very good.
I like this.
ये हो गया
Very good.
पहले क्या करेंगे
अब समझ गया
You can complete it. You can color it as you like. But do remember what is the color of sun and earth. Don't mix that. Don't color the sun. Orange.
Kunal sir, just a second. There is someone logged in as E3CA90B2. I will request you to just change your name to your own name, please, because we don't know who it is.
And
And
I would
others,
also request everyone to please switch on their cameras here. I also want to see what you are doing. Very good. Ojas is ready with the box. Devashish is ready.
everybody is ready. Yash is ready. Dipanshi.
Very
It's
nice.
good.
Very nice. Very good.
Chocolate box, cereals box. Wow, chocos. Yummy boxes they have.
Nowadays.
Yeah.
Okay, now everyone. First of all, see your cereal box should be closed on this side. It should be opened on only one side. Closed on this side. If it's not closed, then just apply some tape over it to close it. It should not be open from the bottom. It should be closed. Is it closed? Give me a thumbs up if it's closed on this side.
Yes, I think
Very
it is
nice.
closed for most of them, sir.
Very good. Now, with a pencil and a scale, what we have to do is we'll see the other side. Okay? We'll see the other side. Mark 2 lines over here, approximately 2 inches wide. Okay? From both the edges. I'll show you. I'll just keep my scale. If you don't have a scale, what I can do is see, take your finger, keep your finger like this and mark to the 2 lengths of your finger. One here, one this side. It need not be straight line, and one on the other side like this. 2 sides, one this side and one this side.
Sir, from the side which is open.
From
Yes,
both the
Ivan.
Here.
Yes, Ivan.
Okay, I'll repeat again. From both the sides, mark 2 lines, approximately 2 inches from both the sides.
Sir, which side?
Both the sides on the top. See, this was the
Riyansh, the one which is open.
this was the
Yes.
bottom. This was the other side, the open side. Okay, yes, very nice. I can see some. Who is this?
Ivan Sehgal has done it.
Yes, Risha, very good. Very nice. Very good. I can see everybody doing it. Great. Good. Now, done. Mark this line. Show me these lines, everyone. Good.
Yes. Sharon has done it.
Very-
Ann has done it. Very good, Yash. Gun.
Now, we will
Ramesh has
cut
done
this.
it.
Cut this on the line. See how I'm doing it. Cut these
Sir,
lines.
this is
Yes, Akshat. Yes, Akshat.
like this.
how to cut it
Yes, like this. Now cut it. Cut the flap like
And
this.
the small box will this work.
If it's a small box, you can take 1 inches only. It's see, I tell you what is the purpose. The purpose is to peep inside. I have to see it inside. So my hole should be such that I can see inside the box like this. Okay? So cut these. Cut one and cut the second one also. I'll cut the second one also, second flap also like this. Okay, now I have cut this.
If the box, sir, can you tell them if the box is small, how do they have to do it?
You can cut 1 inches also. Cut it a smaller one. Show me your box. Show me your box. Dipanshi, very good. Then cut 1 inches. Cut 1 inches. This much only. I'll tell you. I'll just show you how much.
Yes, on this side.
Both the sides. You have to cut on both the sides. Okay. Cut on both the sides. Yes. Yes. In a,
Like this.
like
Yes,
this.
Avyan, yes.
Like
Yes,
this.
Akshat, now it is okay. Yes.
Very good.
If the box is, all of you look at sir, if you keep on saying something, you'll not hear.
See, I have cut these two. Now I will remove this and this two. I'll cut them also. I'll remove these from my box. I have cut this part. I'll cut the other part also from my box. See, I've cut both the parts now. Okay. And if your box has flaps like this, my box had flaps. So I'll cut them also, or I'll open them.
Is this fine?
Yes, Dipanshi.
Yes. So I have cut them. Cut them. Cut along the lines. Yes. If your box has flaps, like my box has flaps, cut those two, those flaps also.
Yes, Gargi, it looks good. Yes, this is how you have to do. Good. Yes, Vivan Sehgal, good.
See, now I have.
Yes, Avyan, good.
Or even Maya had flaps. I
Uh,
cut them.
Cut
Yes,
those-
Sahana, it's good.
Had flaps. I have the flaps over here.
Okay, Vivan, you can cut it, beta.
Now my box looks like this. I have two holes in my box. One this side, one this side. Yes, very good. Very good. Very nice.
Will we have to cut this flap too?
Who's this?
Harshita.
Flap to Harshita here. Sir, do we have to cut this one also?
Can Arjun or Aditi see Harshita?
Yes,
Because-
Harshita,
Yes.
can you show me
Excuse me,
the
sir.
top part where you have made the cut?
Excuse me, sir.
Wait, Zia. Zia, wait for a second.
Yes, yes, cut that flap also, the extra flap. Only one small flap is required. Not
Yes,
the smaller one, the bigger one.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, this flap also.
See, you cut all the extra flaps.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to cut. Do we have to cut this also? Like, excuse me, sir.
Just all of you, just
Wait, everyone. Wait,
all of you
I'll
mute yourself
I'll
first.
repeat. I'll repeat. See, when I made the box, my box one end should be closed like this. Other end should have just one flap in the middle and two holes like this. Okay, one hole here, and one flap in the center. Rest everything should be cut.
Yes, there are two flaps now, 1 and 2. The one flap which is complete, just remove it. Only the half flat flap just sir is showing that
Very
should be there.
Very nice.
Yes,
No.
Vivan, good.
Now what I
Yes,
will
Prisha,
do,
very good.
see if you see this flap is opening. I'll apply some tape here to close it so that my flap doesn't open again and again. Close the flap. I will take some tape and I'll close my box like this. Okay, I've taken a bigger tape. Just close your box so that it doesn't open again and again. The flap is now closed. It's sealed like this. Okay. Done. Now I have the box closed. Yes, this is fine, Gargi. Now the box is closed from this side, and from this side it has two holes on the either side. Okay.
Taransh, it is good, beta. Harshita, good. Gargi, good.
Yes, Teransh, very good. Now comes the interesting part.
Sir,
Will we-
just a second. Jia, you are asking something, beta. Where is Jia? Jia, just write in the
Ma'am, I
chat.
was asking something, but ma'am, now I have known it.
Very good.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Sir, you can continue now.
I like this.
Like this. Yes, Devansh. Very good. Like, yes, Ridan, like this.
Yes, Shivansh also has done it. Very good. Give a thumbs up.
Others also, I would request you to please open your camera so that we can see you. Yes, Vivan, very good.
Ajay, very good. You have done it. Looks nice.
Yeah,
Yes.
Deepan,
Sir, you
has
can
done.
see me?
Yes, Atharv also is
Yes.
good.
Yes, Rohan, very good. Now,
Kavish also good. Now look at sir.
just show me a
Sir,
box.
my turn.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, Vivan, very
Devanshit.
good.
Good.
Now take foil. What we have to do is, see, we have two openings on the box, right? 1 and 2. We'll cover one of the opening with the foil. Cover one of the opening with the foil. Any one. See, any one. Don't cover both. Any one opening. Cover any one opening with the foil, and like this, roll it on that opening, and with the tape, seal it from the ends. Okay. Apply some tape on the corner so that it doesn't come out. I'll use some tape, sellotape. Where is my tape?
Sir, how can I do this with a big one?
Just cut a small portion so that it completely covers the cover it, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
It should cover the hole completely.
Take that much foil that it can cover it completely. Yes,
should-
Inaya?
I'll show you again. See, this was the
From the last 5 minutes, I got disconnected.
So
Okay,
can you tell me which step are you on so that we can just repeat that? Which step have you done?
box.
I have cut the flaps only.
Very good. Now close it. Close these with the tape, the one which are open.
The open flap, close it with the tape like this, and take a foil piece. See, this is the opening. I'll just place. You can fold the foil, or you can make a cut with the foil also, so that it just places on this end on the box. See, my one opening is open and the other opening is closed.
Sir,
Yes, Ivan.
I know what to do.
Okay, you know, very nice. So with the tape, I'll just apply some tape on my foil so that it gets stick to the box. I've applied tape here. I'll apply tape on the other side too. Apply
Yes.
tape so
Yash
Yes.
has done it. Very good, Yash.
box gets fixed. The foil gets fixed.
Sir, I done.
You have done
Sir,
it?
I done it.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
I've done it.
Very good. Very good, Jia, Akshat. Very good, Gargi.
You're about to
बच्चे कर ले रहे हैं
now.
Kavish, very good. Ojas, very good.
Sir,
ऐसे
done.
ऐसे करोगे तो फट जाएगा ना
Now my box looks like this. One hole
Sir,
on
see.
Yes, we are looking. Devansh,
Lisa.
very good.
Very nice, Devansh. Gargi, can you show us the box like this? Vivan, very good.
Aran has also done it. Very good.
Correct, sir.
Vivan Nair, very good.
Vivan Thakur also has done it. Very good, very nice. I can see. Wait a minute.
Yes. Kavish, very good. Ajay, very good. Yash also has done it.
Okay, now my box has foil on one
Devansh,
side
great.
and a hole on the other end.
Now look at sir, what sir is doing. Next step is very important.
With a toothpick or a safety pin or a thumb pin, very carefully. If you have a thumb pin or a safety pin, I'll ask your parents to do this. Very carefully, just punch a small hole in the center like this. It should be very small. See, if you see, just punch a small hole in the foil like this. Very small hole. Done?
Should we? Daksh, have you done it?
Sir, please see mine.
Yes, Vivan, very good.
Very
Yes,
good.
Very small, very nice. It should be
Sir,
very
please see mine.
Yes,
Yes,
Gargi,
Jia, we are
very nice,
looking.
Gargi.
Jia, it is good, beta. Jia also.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, Ojas. Very good.
Yes,
good,
yeah,
Jia.
yes.
Very
Daksh,
good,
very good.
good.
Here only.
Very good, Sarah. Jia, where's the
Yes.
foil? Yes, this is
Devansh has also.
foil.
Jia
Yes,
is.
very good. Very good, Jia. Very good, Devansh. Daksh, show us. Sahana, where's the box? Very good. Very nice. So now your box projector is complete. Now I'll tell you how to see the sun. Okay. Very important. Very important is never look at the sun directly with the naked eyes. Do you know there is a theory? What the theory states is Galileo Galilei, who discovered the use of telescope. He was blind when he died. Why? Because he was watching sun directly with the naked eyes. So never do that. So when the eclipse is happening and you go outside, if you go outside today also, so when you go outside in the afternoon, you'll see that your shadow is formed. Okay, have you seen your shadow in the sun? Yes. So your shadow points in a direction. It points in any direction. So you have to face in that direction. For example, if I'll show you, if let's see that if this pencil is me, okay, and the flashlight of my torch of my mobile is the sun, okay. Now if the sun is here, do you see where is the shadow forming? I'll just keep a blank paper so that you can see it carefully. See, if this is me, do you see the shadow? Right? So I have to face this shadow. That means the sun is directly opposite to me. Got it? See, if this is the stick and the shadow is forming in this direction, I'll just show you how. North, south, east, and west. Okay.
Kunal sir, can you repeat the scientific name? Devansh is asking.
What to repeat?
The scientific name.
Scientific name of?
I think the projector only. Or the scientist name he's asking.
Scientist's name was Galileo Galilei.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just repeated it. It's Galileo.
Okay. Now see carefully. See this pencil stick. Do you see this pencil stick? If this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. Now see carefully. Which side is my shadow of the pencil now? It's pointing north. It's pointing north, right? And where is the sun? Sun is in the south. Okay. I have to face in this direction where my shadow is pointing. I'll show you again now. Now which direction is my shadow is? Is it in the west?
No. Yes, it is west. West.
Where is
West.
the sun?
West.
No, sun is in the east.
West.
I have to face it facing left side where my shadow is facing. Okay? Don't look in the east. Don't look in the opposite side. Look in the side of the shadow. So what I'll be doing is I'll be seeing in this side. When I see this side, the sun would be in the opposite side. Okay? Okay now? How to know where is the sun? How to know where is the sun? The sun would be in the opposite side where your shadow is. Okay? When you go outside today, I'll request everyone. Wait, listen to me
You can
carefully.
share your fact here, beta.
Listen to me carefully first. When you go outside today, go outside, test your box projector, okay? Go outside, see your shadow is in which direction. When the shadow is facing in any direction, you also face in that direction. And keep your box like this, peep it into the hole like this, keeping this towards the sun. Sun should be at the opposite end. And when you see in the box, you will see the reflection of the sun today. And tomorrow when you do that, then you will see eclipse. Mind it, don't see towards the sun directly. Don't peek back to see where sun is. See your shadow. Don't see at the back. Okay? You can see the sun inside. When you see the sun, just move the box like this so that you can get a clear image of the sun inside the box. You can move it. Yes?
I couldn't hear you, so I don't know what did you say.
Okay, Sarah, I'll repeat. When you go outside today, I'll request everyone to go outside the session today with your box projector. Go outside, see your shadow in the sun and see which direction your shadow is pointing to. Okay, it would be pointing in some direction. That direction. I want everyone to please mute themselves.
So I'm not seeing that.
Then,
Sir,
can you see this?
Sa-
You made a hole here? You made a hole? Sarah? Yes? Now your box projector is complete. When you go outside, you have to see in through the hole. Wait, beta, wait.
Avyan, wait, beta.
You have to see it through the hole like this, and you'll see the projector of the eclipse. You'll see the eclipse inside this box. Okay? Don't look at the sun. Look inside the box. I want everyone to show me the boxes like this. Show me your boxes. I want to say, take some pictures, good pictures. Very nice. Oh, wow. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Can we spotlight some?
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Sahana, none. Good. Very nice. Oh, wow.
Sir,
Nice, Risha.
Other next. Wow. I would request everyone to send me pictures, yaar. Please, these are so nice boxes that you have made. Okay, you should send us the pictures watching the sun also.